Simpson PowerShot PS60843 gas pressure washer review. Real 4400 PSI contractor results. Ever fired up a pressure washer and felt instantly underwhelmed? You pull the trigger, expect power, and instead get a weak stream that barely touches driveway stains. I once spent an entire Saturday chasing grind that refused to budge. Frustrating doesn't even cover it. If you've dealt with that kind of disappointment, you already know the feeling, right? The real problem is time and tension. You think more passes will fix it, but hours disappear, and that stubborn layer of dirt still laughs back at you. The engine strains, your arms ache, and pressure consistency feels unpredictable. I tried upgrading once before and barely noticed a difference. There had to be a smarter, stronger solution. Then everything changed when I found the Simpson PowerShot PS60843 gas pressure washer. Don't just pick any gas pressure washer. Make sure it has an AAA industrial triplex plunger pump so you never waste time on weak, inconsistent pressure again. That single detail separates consumer tools from true commercial performance. The first time I used it on a weather-stained driveway, the difference was immediate. The 4,400 PSI at 4.0 gallons per minute didn't just rinse dirt, it lifted it cleanly and fast. Let me be honest, the CRX 420 cubic centimeter engine has serious pull strength, but once running, it delivers steady, confident power. The Power Boost technology increases pressure right at the nozzle, which you actually feel when stripping old paint or blasting moss. The 50-foot monster hose gives you reach without constant repositioning, and those 13-inch pneumatic tires glide across rough terrain smoothly. You feel in control, not fighting the machine. Can you imagine cutting job time nearly in half? After weeks of use, the biggest surprise wasn't raw power, it was consistency. The AAA triplex pump runs cooler than typical axial designs, and that thermal relief system genuinely protects it during long sessions. On contractor forums, professionals regularly mention Simpson as a dependable workhorse brand. One equipment analyst highlighted the rebuildable triplex pump as a major long-term advantage. A deck restoration specialist I spoke with said he runs it 3 to 4 hours daily without pressure drop. Even prosumers praise how the 4.0 gallons per minute flow rinses surfaces faster than lower volume machines. Now, let's address the obvious objection. It's a heavy-duty gas unit. It's louder than electric models and requires basic engine maintenance. But that trade-off delivers 17,600 cleaning units of performance, which electric units in lower tiers simply don't match. Setup is straightforward, and once you understand the nozzle system, switching between 0 degree, 25 degree, or soap becomes second nature. If your projects involve decks, paint prep, fleet washing, or serious concrete cleaning, what matters more, convenience or capability? With the welded steel frame, commercial engine, and 50-foot hose, this feels built for long-term professional use. Let's bring it home. If you are tired of underpowered machines and want real commercial cleaning strength, the Simpson PowerShot PS60843 gas pressure washer delivers measurable performance, backed by contractor feedback and verified specifications. Thousands of professionals and serious homeowners rely on high PSI gas pressure washers like this every day. Results may vary based on technique and surface type. You can check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment for full specs and current availability. Take a closer look and see if this powerhouse fits your next project.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.